everyone, I'm Greg Olson with the Jasper County Conservation Department, and today we are at Mariposa Park getting ready to launch a floating wetland. Now, most of you are familiar with wetlands and how it's an important habitat for a lot of different species here in Iowa, including things like waterfowl, fish, amphibians, and reptiles. Wetlands are also important to water quality in the state of Iowa as well. Now, floating wetlands are unique in that the plants are suspended within the water body, and so as the plants get established within the mat, the roots will grow down through the bottom, and they act as a substrate for biofilm to be able to accumulate on the root system. And biofilm is a colony of beneficial bacteria that help to break down things like nitrates and phosphorus within the water that typically cause algal blooms in the water. So today, like I said, we have a 5 by 5 foot floating wetland that we are going to plant some native wetland plants and forbs within the mat, and then we will launch that onto the lake. I want to give a big thank you to the Jasper County NRCS and the Jasper County Conservation Department for providing funding to make this project available.